Alright guys, so this is the tutorial for today. As you guys know, I'm doing a 101 session, and in this video we covered glow and we also covered lashes and a little lip trick, but mostly glow and lashes. Mostly glow though, but I decided to just film lashes same time because they're easy. I did a little bit of a lip trick, that one was easy as well, but the glow is where like we focused on. I love you more.
Jonathan, if you finish drinking tea, drink half the tea first, please. Can you please carry your iPad? Because I don't want to beat it. Carry your iPad, drink half the tea, and eat finish eat your egg.
This video was brought to you by Klaiyi hair. Let me go ahead and show y'all what her hair looks like straight out the pack, honey. Alright guys, so this is Klaiyi hair. This is what it looks like, girl. Ooh, I'm so excited to get some lashes. You know, oh, and girl, let me just talk about it. Oh yeah. Alright, so we have 28 inches, boo-boo. And do I see a frontal? Yes, I do. Am I scared? You know I am. And this is their Peruvian straight. Let me get the longest length for you guys, which is 28 inches. And show you guys what this is looking like. Oh, oh girl. Ooh, don't mind my nails. My nails don't mind you. Girl, this is everything. Ooh, and it's so soft. I am never disappointed when it comes to Klaiyi hair. Ever in life, just in general. This is their Peruvian straight, and I'm wearing 28 inches, and it is long. It is long. It's like to my butthole. I would get up, but your girl isn't dressed for getting up. You know. Now that YouTuber life, this YouTuber pregnant mom life is very grubby. It's just.
Oh, so you're not bathing this week? Okay. Already.
No, say it's Klaiyi hair. Thank you so much for sending me this hair to review. Ooh, I love y'all, Klaiyi. I love y'all so much. Look at this hair. Look at this hair. Ah! I don't know if it's pregnancy, but I'm appreciating hair. I'm like, it's just hair. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's not just hair. It's Klaiyi hair. Shoot. Down here acting a fool, honey. Ooh. Ooh. Like, I don't want a video after this, like a music video. Like, beautiful. Here we go again, my love. You know, hey, I will never let you go. So I'm gonna do this intro right here. I'm gonna stop it. So yeah, Klaiyi hair, Peruvian straight, 28 inches of beautiful lusciousness. Enjoy the video. And so I wish I could show you guys how much I'm sweating, but it is gross. Like, I'm sweating. Like, I'm having underboob sweat. Like, it's nasty. It's like, but I'm cute though. My Klaiyi hair, cute stuff. Alright, so this is what the hair came in. You guys saw me already. You saw me. Look at this beautiful box, their information. I love packaging, like box packaging like this, you guys know, because I repurpose them. So I have nothing left in this. I used up every single bundle, and I'm so relieved, honey, because this is what the wig looks like. So I did not bleach the knots or anything like that. No knots have been harmed in the making of this wig. I did not even pluck this wig. So I'm just going to go ahead and just take my foundation brush with the foundation that's on it already, and just kind of run it along the beginning. And there you have it. This is it for this video. Alright, so the wig is on and it's not secured. It's lifting, so it's not secured at all. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with I could have probably tweezed, but whatevs. So I'm going to go in with my #1 adhesive. And the thing is, to pump it up, it doesn't last all day. I'll be the first to admit it. But when I do these videos, I do them for you guys. I don't do them for it to last all day, all week, because I do remove my wig when I get home. With like this piece of a robe, like the robe, the thing that comes in the robes. Just tying on the hairline to keep it more secure. Going to do my brows, and then after my brows, I'm going to take this off. All right, so let's move into glow. Right, so you have like different textures of glow. You have like mousse, creams, you have the little pearl stuff, you have loose, you have pressed, and you have like the stick. No, what I have been loving, oh my gosh, and mine is dirty. Oh my god, Rihanna, don't kill me, boo. Is this one here. I mean, this is nice too, but okay, let's use this one. Okay, so I love using cream. So this is my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and this is the cream that I use. The cream is called Barbados, and I have the pressed ones that I was telling you guys about, right? So these ones are very nice and smooth. I mean, it doesn't matter if I swatch it or not. It's just really nice and smooth. Like it looks like it's like it's bursting through your skin. But bye, whenever I put on this, girl, and I put it straight on my skin, so I'm just going to wipe off what's on top. And I know I'm losing a lot of product whenever I do that, but that's just how I apply it, Zine. So now, let me get my fancy mirror. By the way, I didn't look at my hands. My hands get so dirty when I'm doing my makeup. But when I watch these other YouTube videos, I'm like, why are their hands so clean? Are they wiping off their hands off camera? Because your hands are supposed to be filthy. But okay, so if you're hearing Jonathan's programming, my bad. I didn't look closer. Okay, so I have some stuff under here. Anyway, so where I like to put my glow is right on the highest part of my cheekbone, just here. I've been loving that look. Let me take it down a little bit. Then this is my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush, and I'm going to blend out right up the top and underneath the bottom here. So I'm blending out around it, and I have that nice slim highlight. So I'm going to go back in again, and I'm going to blend out around it. Now you could use a smaller brush, but this brush, I find it does it for me. Take this down a little bit, not too far, because I love the look of that slim. Oh my gosh, and this is in the color Cinnamon. I'm just blending out the edges. I love this look so much. So I'm getting like, it's like right on my bone, like it's not sinking into my skin. It's like right on the highest part of my cheekbone. Now when it comes to glow, your facial shape really does affect how it's going to look. I mean, your placement obviously can manipulate using placement. Like for me, and I'm putting it in a way where it's accentuating my cheekbones, you know what I mean? But if you have really high cheekbones, I would say like you don't even need this much, just a little dab, because you already have that wow factor that we're all highlighting to get. Your cheekbones can already cut metal, honey. So you don't need all this right here. You don't need all this right here. So you can go ahead and use the powder, like the loose powder version of glows, but I don't know what it is. Ever since, oh my god, ever since I started using this, it's like I forgot how to use the loose powders, which is weird. I know, but it's just what it is. I'm sure you can hear Jonathan. So I like doing the tip of my nose, right in the center, and ooh, my cheek, my chin. Yes, girl. Yes, and my chin gets it all, honey. My chin gets it all, honey. Just going to blend out. And even though I layered so much, look at how nicely it blends out. Oh my god. Yeah. 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 Okay, so I wouldn't typically do this, but I'm gonna do this for y'all. I'm gonna mix it with a powder. Now, can you either use the powder by itself or the highlight by itself? But I love mixing these two. This is Trophy Wife. This is the brush from my brush line that will be launched just in time for Christmas and with a sale. So I'm going to put it right like in the middle and just kind of blend it out. Oh, so it's just a little bit. I'm gonna just clean off and just kind of blend out. Now this highlight is when you want people to see you and like, who's that girl? Like that's this highlight. That is this highlight. I don't care what you, that is this highlight. So I'm just going to go in back with my low light. I'm not going to use a blush. With the perfect temporary placement. So your highlight goes right on top of your cheekbone, your blush goes in the middle, and then your low light goes underneath. So it's like a little sandwich. So the lighter color is on top, the darker color is right at the end, and the like medium color, which should be a blush, it goes right in the middle. So the reason I'm doing this is to make my cheekbones pop. Girl, I'm 30 weeks pregnant, honey. Monday I'll be 31. And get my lash adhesive. It's hair glue. Okay, it's hair glue. God damn it. And I know, don't use hair glue on your lashes. I know. But I'm just going to be so honest. Until I can find a lash glue that does what the hair glue does. I went forward when I use hair glue. I don't know what's this new obsession with hair glue. I think as I went to Mystic Mountain, did I vlog it? I don't think so. But we went to Mystic Mountain and I even went in the pool. And bruh, my lashes did not even move, honey. Neither did my foundation. But my lashes didn't move, neither. So, okay, here we go. So whenever I'm applying my lashes, right? First of all, I have to cut mine to fit my eyes because my eyes are small. For my clients, I don't necessarily have to cut their lashes to fit their eyes because their eyes, well, most of my clients, the lashes fit the eyes. But for clients, I like to trim them so that it doesn't stick because these do stick. Now, whenever you're using your traditional lash glue, get it on the corners. Get it on the corners of the lash, like on the corners, and then in the middle, because that's where it tends to lift off from. Also, not doing your lashes, I don't know if you can see in this here, but you go from shorter to longer. Yeah. So that's how you know how to cut your lashes. And I'm going to put mine right on my lash line. That's where my lashes grow from. So I'm putting it right on there. And to press it on, I kind of push it up and like blink down. You know, I like look down. You can see the other eye doing the action. And then I kind of fluff it up. And that's what we have. This is what it looks like. With Jonathan, not all the time. So
Jonathan, your belly not full. Go and finish eating. Because when you start ball for hungry on the road, what me I go do? I'm not money for bad and forget on the road. What? No, I'm not being beat here. Please go and finish eating.
So if I apply the lash, I stick it right in the middle first. And then I fit it on like the corners. So now I'm just pushing them up. So I'll kind of look in the corner here to see if it's lifting off, and it is not. Ooh, that's nice. All right, so this is my Keisha Kaur Lollipop Lip Paint. What color am I wearing? This may or may not look good, but I wore red yesterday. Okay, so let's do this then. This is Viva Glam Nikki 2 Amplified.
Mommy, look what the colors do to it.
I'm not sure.
Mommy, don't tell naughty.
Jonathan, he was just playing. So I'm going to fold my lips in a little, and I'm going to leave like a little piece out so I can create like a liner. Let me show you. Like this. Then work it together. Ooh, see how that looks nice and wet? Girl. So now I'm going to be using my setting spray, my Urban Decay All Nighter. So this is what she looks like straight out the pack. I have not flat ironed it at all. Just made the wig. Put the wig to lie down. I'm just combing it out, detangling it rather. And when I make my wigs, I don't cut the wefts, you know, I do the fold over method. But I only cut when like I've gotten to the end, or I cut and then I fold over. So I always fold over and I double. So I cut the double and fold over it single. And last night when I cut, like a huge chunk of hair got cut, and I was like, oh my god. No, it's not a huge chunk, I'm exaggerating. But oh, it's knotted, hold on. It's knotted right here, there we go. You do not need to flat iron this hair at all. I really don't. I'm just running it through because I already plugged it in. So this is what the hair is looking like. The wig, Peruvian, straight, 28 inches, all from my girl Klaiyi here. Klaiyi hair having me looking straight, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm feeling myself because of Klaiyi hair. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hair and everything. As I said, when I made the wig, like I cut hair from the weft. So I'm getting that preliminary shedding. But preliminary shedding is normal whenever you just make a wig or a unit or whatever. So 2 washes and all the shedding subsides. But this is the glow, the lashes, everything. Okay. Alright, so this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, Klaiyi here. Mwah, thank you for sending me this hair to review. I'm completely in love. No issues, no problem, no nothing. Y'all doing the damn thing, okay? Doing it well. Doing it well. I told my mama that. She was raised out Brooklyn. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.